Hello again. Okay, so I have all the light bulbs on from number 1 to number 8 positive. All they are all connected in series. The equipment, the electronics are off. This is just to see that we have power in all of them. All the light bulbs are working. I'm going to illuminate now group 1, and this is, see how the power is distributed properly. It's even. That's something that I would like you to observe. Okay, and then number group 8, it'll be right here. Again, it's all illumination is even. All the power is distributed properly, even. Okay, so now I'm going to turn on the electronics and power up positive with positive and negative with negative. And we have a similar pattern than we had before. These two end bulbs are not lighting up at all. And something I wanted to bring up. Okay, so yeah, it's not even dimming, zero. So something I wanted to bring up. If we look at it in detail, we see that the concentration of power is on the center, and it dims out as it goes to the left, and it dims out as it goes to the right. This one right here is almost getting nothing. Very dim compared to this one. So the power is distributed very, very uneven. The same thing here, it's almost nothing. So we have a little bit of a pattern here, but the concentration of power is on the center of the coils here, and it's not right. It's supposed to be number 1 group, and these off, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and all the rest off, and all these on. But it's not. And this is the lowest frequency that we have. I would like to be able to lower it even more on these drivers to almost, I don't know, 3, 4 hertz. So we could see one by one the movement, the stepping, movement of the light bulbs or of the coils. So it's not. We see a little bit of movement, but it's not enough, and the power is not distributed even. Like I'm saying, this is a distributor. That's what the commutator is. It does. It's a power distributor. Added timing, and yeah, we have a little bit of pattern, but very poor. And we have a very poor induction as a result. That's not. It's not right. And again, I'm powering with 15.5 volts, the same as the other video. And yeah, we have the same deal. This one is a little bit better than the other one. Now, if I start messing around with pulse width, I see, this is the minimum pulse width, and we got a better movement. So we see a better distribution of power, but still, these are dead, and distribution of power is still very low, very poor. I mean, you don't power a coil with this amount of power. This one you maybe do it, or these three light bulbs are getting most of the power. All the rest are dimming out. And as I increase the width, it keeps the same pattern. Brighter at the center and dimmer at the ends. See? Right here we can see it even better. Concentration of power. But we see a pattern though. And that's why we had an induction. A very poor induction, but we did something better than version 2. All right, guys.